What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we've got a 2025 GMC 3500 Dually Denali Duramax, but it's freaking cold out here, so we'll get back to the shop for this build breakdown. Now that we're back inside and we're warm, we can break down this build for you. This 2025 GMC Denali Dually Duramax, as I was saying outside. We sent it up on the 4-inch Cognito kit. This is going to be one of the best riding kits for the GM platforms, especially these heavy-duty trucks. Feels absolutely dialed on-road and definitely performs well off-road. We've installed quite a few of these kits on these Duallys, as you've seen from the various Denali Ultimates and the single cab as well. The wheels are going to be the 22-inch TIS 544s in this all-black colorway. We wrap those in the 37-12-50 Kenda Klever RT tires. These are one of our favorite tires on the market as well. And then to give you a boost in and out of the cab, we've got the Amp Research power steps on here. Now, as soon as we deliver this back to Alpine GMC South, it will be for sale on their lot, so go make them an offer. Otherwise, give us a shout for a build of your very own. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.